grant is here to make your life a little easier. Baby girl, here in number 9 is the biggest check on this list. A whooping $25,000 in grant money for women. Say no more. So if I were you, baby girl, I would get in there today after watching this video. Today's video is all about free money. More specifically, it's about getting free money to fund your business or business idea as a woman. I know that's right. You have asked for this video too many times for me to keep putting it off. I keep seeing comments like this one. Vanessa, how do I get money to fund a business? I see you, I hear you, girl. And in this video, we are solving that problem. I'm gonna be sharing 10 credible, legal, and trustworthy sources of free money for women. And while all 10 of them are literally the cream of the crop, number 8 is the one you don't want to miss because it is one of the easiest ones to get your hands on this list, and the deadline is next month. You definitely want to be one of the first few women so you can get in there and get that $10,000. So if you want to get the most value out of this video, make sure you watch it all the way to the very end. And you might be feeling like, I'm a bit skeptical. Is there anything like free money? Yes, girl, there is. Yes, girl, there is. A lot of organizations want tax breaks, and so they set up foundations, and through their foundations, they give away money to groups that they care about. So if you're a woman with a business idea or business, then without further ado, let's get into the meat and the potatoes of this video. Number 1, if you're Team T-Mobile, girl, you might want to sit this one out or you might want to switch because AT&T has a program called She's Connected, and through this program, they give away $20,000 in grant money to women-owned businesses. I mean, look at this.
What?
Girl, we just got an order for 1,000 candles.
Through She's Connected, AT&T is changing what's possible for women entrepreneurs by investing in women-owned businesses.
Number 2 is the FedEx Small Business Grant. Now, you might know FedEx as a shipping company, or if you have your own small business, you might be using FedEx to send out packages to your customers. Well, what you might not know is that every single year, FedEx cuts multiple checks through their Small Business Grant program. And a lot of women don't know about this, but gatekeeping and here, let me spill the tea. There's one big check for $50,000, but on top of that, there are other grant checks for $20,000 that go to small business owners. Now, this one is open to both men and women, but one thing about me, I'm gonna spill the tea to my women so that we can get in there and get some of these checks. Now, girl, let me put you on. The application is open for just 1 month, so you have to get all your ducks in a row and be ready. It opens up on the 1st of March and closes out on the 1st of April. So if you're watching this in February, get in there, girl. But if you're watching this in November or October, don't worry about it. I'll make another version of this video. But if you're currently thinking, girl, where do I even begin? How do I get ready? You want to start with a business plan. But I'm not going to leave you hanging dry. No, no, no. My team and I have taken the time to create a free business plan template, and I'm going to link it down below because we are taking action this year and nobody's getting left behind. So if you don't have a business plan, don't worry about it. Go down in the description box and grab the free business plan template, and let's keep going. Number 3 is for the girlies in a very specific industry, jewelry. So if you're a jewelry girly, if you make beads, if you make earrings, if you make necklaces, come close, come close, come close. Tell your girlfriends to come close because there's actually a grant specifically for you. It is called the Halstead Grant, and they give away $7,500 in cash to jewelry artists. So if that's you, this might be the one for you. And if that's not you yet, but you're very much into jewelry and you want me to make a video about jewelry business ideas, then baby, let me know down in the comment section and I got you. Number 4, I know at least 100 women from this community would get this one because every single time I ask you to leave a comment letting me know what your business is about, it's always something that really serves other people. And if that's you, this grant is for you. Number 4 is the Ember Grant, and it is actually a memorial grant. It was set up in memory of a young lady called called Amber, who wasn't able to stay around long enough to realize her entrepreneurial dreams. And now the grant exists for people who have touching stories attached to the work that they do. So if you have a business or business idea that is one with a touching story or mission, then girl, let me put you on. Amber Grant has $10,000 checks every single month. Now, most of the other grants on this list have deadlines. They have application windows, but this one, it is open all year long. If you miss January's grant, you can get February's, you can get March, you can get April. There are grants all year long. And actually, if you already have a business, let us know down in the comment section who your business serves. It doesn't matter if you've done it before. You're literally promoting your own business. And I know a lot of big creators don't like people plugging themselves in their comment sections, but I'm not one of those people. I don't even consider myself big yet. But as long as you're a woman, I'm very open to you plugging yourself. Promote yourself, say your name, say the name of your business and who your business serves. Girl, this space is for you. This is our channel, not mine. So make sure you plug yourself down in the comments section. Number 5. Now, I'm really excited about this one because you could get access to multiple grants at the same time with this one. There's literally an organization called I Fund Women. To reach out to them because that sounds like music to my ears. Now, I Fund Women exists specifically to fund women. And so they have a whole database of grants. And when you apply, when you put in your business plan and your information, they just pair you with a grant that suits you perfectly. But you have to come correct if you want to be considered. And that's one of the reasons why I plug the free business plan template down in the comment section and in the description box. So you actually don't have to DM me asking me if I could show you where to find a business plan template. I've already plugged one down in the comment section and in the description box for you. Number 6. Now this one is super heartwarming because it's not just specifically for women, but it's for mothers. So if you have babies tugging and pulling at you while you're trying to figure out how to get to the bag, then this grant is here to make your life a little easier. But before we get into number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, if you've been enjoying this video so far but you haven't hit the like button yet, please hit the like button. It helps this video go out to more women like you so that they can have access to this information and also get to the bag. Now this one is called the Kitty Fund Mother-Led Business Grant. So if you're a mother, if you are a mom, if some babies have come out of your then there's a grant for you. And this is the one for you. Number 7. Number 7 is literally called the Awesome Foundation Grant for Women in the Arts. So if you're a creative woman, if you're a painter, if you're a designer, if you do anything artistic, then the Awesome Foundation has a check or two for you. Number 8. Number 8 is a $10,000 grant by another small business. Like, how thoughtful is that? Like, they're a business themselves and they're giving away grants to other women in business. I love to see it. I love to see it. It is called the Papaya Grant and they're giving away $10,000 to female founders. And the application closes on March 31st. So if I were you, baby girl, I would get in there today after watching this video. Number 9. Number 9 is for my competitive girlies. So if you're like, I like to play games, I like to be competitive, I'm gonna compete for that bag, this is the one for you. Number 9 is the Women Founders Network Fast Pitch Competition. It is literally a competition, but baby girl, here in number 9 is the biggest check on this list. A whooping $25,000 in grant money for women in business. Say no more. Now, if you're one of the first 100,000 women to watch this video, then you're probably watching it fairly early. So girl, you need to jump on this. The application opens on April first. So be the first to get in there and bring this bag home. And make sure you let us know in the comment section if you emerge a winner, because we love to see winners in this community. And number 10. Number 10 is the Girl Boss Foundation grant. It is for women only. Love to see it. It is a $15,000 grant, and it is specifically for creative women. For whatever reason, people like to cut checks for creative women. I don't know why. I didn't create the world, but I've just found it to be true. So if you're a woman in a creative field like design, like the arts, or fashion, then this is probably the one for you. But if you're someone who just wants to get into a creative field like fashion, for example, but you're just not sure what business to start, then watch this video. In this video, I share some amazing fashion business ideas that will set you apart in the marketplace and also position you for opportunities like this grant. But if you're more interested in side hustles and other small business ideas, then girl, I got you too. You can start here. Remember that I am rooting for you, so please do not stop rooting for yourself. And until next time, please take care.